Hello, welcome all parents and students to my video. My name is Phúc and I'm from Nguyễn Văn Trỗi Primary School. I'm so happy to see you right here. How are you today? Are you okay? I hope so. Alright, last time we studied lesson 3 and 4, phonics, the sound E. So now you have 30 seconds to tell me some words with the sound E. Okay, go. Okay, can you remember? Here is the answer. Yes, the letter EA, we have cream and ice cream. For the letter EE, we have queen, green, and jelly and happy. E, E, and E. Okay. Now, in this video, you will study lesson 5 and 6 on page 78 and 79. So now open your book on page 78. Number 1, listen, point, and repeat.
Listening 95. Listen and point. Shout. Chase. Catch. Meet. Cross. Meet. Shout. Cross. Chase. Catch. Listen and repeat. Shout. Chase. Catch. Meet. Cross.
Alright, you can listen again and repeat along the recording. You will see some words in the story. The Gingerbread Man. Who is he? He is a gingerbread man. And the old woman, is she surprised? Yes, she's really surprised. Gingerbread Man, what's he doing? He's run away from the old woman, right? And what happened next? What animal? It's a cat. And the old woman chasing after the gingerbread man. The gingerbread man meets a cat. And whoa, what animal is it? It's a fox. And where's the gingerbread man? He's on the fox's nose. So what happened in the story? Let's read the story. Let's read the story, The Gingerbread Man. Listen and read.
Listening 96. Listen and read.
The Gingerbread Man. One day, an old woman makes a special cookie, a gingerbread man. The old woman wants to eat him, but the gingerbread man runs and shouts, "Run! Run! Run if you can! You can't catch me! I'm the gingerbread man!" The old woman is angry. She chases him. The gingerbread man meets a cat. The cat wants to eat him, but he runs away. He runs to the river. He wants to cross the river, but he can't swim. There is a fox near the river. "I can swim," says the fox. "Sit on my head." The gingerbread man sits on the fox's head. The fox starts to swim. "The water is deeper now," says the fox. "You must sit on my nose." The gingerbread man sits on the fox's nose. The fox opens its mouth and eats him.
Alright, we have a limited time, so you can play the recording again and listen. Right now, move on number 4, read again and write T for true or F for false. Number 1, The gingerbread man is a cookie. Here, a cookie, a gingerbread man. So write out T. Number 2, the old woman runs away. The gingerbread man meets a cat. The cat eats the gingerbread man. 5, the gingerbread man can swim. And the last one, the fox eats the gingerbread man. Now you have 2 to 3 minutes to read again and write. 1, 2, 3, go. Alright, now look at number 2. The old woman runs away. True or false? False. The old woman wants to eat him. And gingerbread man runs. Gingerbread man run, not the old woman. Number 3. The gingerbread man meets a cat. Of course, yes, you see a cat, right? And number 4. The cat eats the gingerbread man. Really? Let's see. But he runs away. He runs to the river. So the cat cannot eat the gingerbread man. So false. Number 5. Gingerbread man can swim. He can swim. Now, but he can't swim. So false. The last one, 6. The fox eats the gingerbread man. True or false? True. Here, the answer. The fox opens his mouth and eats him. Eats the gingerbread man. So write down the answers, please. Now open your book on page 79. Listening. 1. Listen and write the numbers. So there are 5 pictures. Picture A. What can you see? The little boy is eating in the library. So you must or mustn't eat in the library? Huh? You mustn't, right? B. What animal? It's a dog. So you must walk the dog in the library? C. There's an old man is reading and the little boy here is shouting. So you must be quiet. Picture D. So many books on the table. So you must or mustn't put the books on the bookshelf. A. He's running. So you must or mustn't run. So now listen and write.
Listening 97. Listen and write the numbers. 1.
This is a big library.
Yes, it is.
Wow! Look at all the books.
Shh, Tyne. You must be quiet in the library.
You must be quiet in the library. So 1. Okay?
I want to find a book about space. Come on.
Tyne, you're running.
Yes, I know.
Stop. You mustn't run in the library.
3.
What are you doing?
I'm eating the sandwich.
No, you mustn't eat in the library.
Oh, but I'm hungry.
4.
What are you doing?
I'm walking a dog.
Oh no, you mustn't walk a dog in the library.
Okay, I'll take it out.
5.
Can we go home now?
No, we can't. Look, the books are on the table.
I know. I'm not reading them now.
Well, you must put the books on the shelf.
Oh, okay.
Okay, and here is the answer. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Write out the answers. Number 2, look at the pictures and say. There's some words in the past. Eat, be quiet, walk the dog, run, put the books on the shelf. And this is an example. You mustn't eat in the library. So which picture is picture A? Okay, you make a sentence with the words and then answer which picture it is. And so it's easy for you to follow. I will copy the picture right here. There's one more example for you. You must be quiet. You must be quiet. Which picture? So picture C is picture C. Is it clear? Now let's go. Number 2. You mustn't walk the dog. Which picture is picture B? Good job. Number 3. You mustn't run. Easy. Which picture is picture E? You mustn't run. Number 4. You must put the books on the shelf. So the last one, picture D. Alright, here is the answer. So you can make a sentence and practice these sentences with your mom, your dad, or your brother, your sister. Okay? Now move on. Look at these 2 sentences. Lisa likes apples and bananas. Tim doesn't play soccer or fish. You see and to link apples, bananas. And is between apples and bananas 2 things. Soccer or fish. Soccer or fish. Or is between soccer and fish. So we use and or to link 2 ideas together. Here we use and or to link 2 ideas in a sentence. But you see that we use and in positive sentences. And Lisa likes A and B. Positive sentence and. Or in negative sentences. You see there isn't, there is not, there isn't. So we use or. Okay? So now move on. Number 3, write and or. The gingerbread man doesn't like the woman or the cat. You see, there is not. Wait for me. Here, you see there is not. Negative sentences. So we use or. Okay? So now, number 2, I don't work. Remember, don't. Number 3, reads is a negative sentence. Sorry, positive sentence. I have is a positive sentence. So now 1 minute for you to do part 3. 1, 2, 3, go. Finish yet? Alright, so number 2, I don't work and or. Or you see not, don't. Number 3, and for and, because you see reads and have, they are positive sentences. Now move on. Number 4, write the sentences about you. Use and or. I have blah blah blah. So you can write I have English and math on Monday. Number 2, I have I have a chicken and a rabbit. I have a tiger and a crocodile. Number 3, eat. You can write I eat something. I eat a sandwich and spaghetti. Number 4, play. You can play any sport you like. I play soccer and tennis. Number 5, remember, don't play. Here you see don't. So or. Okay, don't or. don't or I don't play soccer or volleyball. So now you have 4 sentences, 4 minutes for you. 1, 2, 3, go. Finish yet? Now this is my sentence. I have fish and chips. I eat a sandwich and a chicken. I play soccer and volleyball. I don't play tennis or table tennis. You see don't. So we use are. Okay? Now it's time for workbook correction. Open your workbook on page 72. Number 1. Complete the crossword. Number 1. What's she doing? She is catching the ball. Catch. Number 2. She is crossing the street. So, cross. Number 3. She is shouting. So, number 3, shout. Number 4. Chase. She chases the cat. Sorry, the rabbit, not a cat. Number 5. 3 friends are talking. So, meet. They are meeting their friends. Now, 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, finish yet? Here is the answer. Number 2, cross, shout, chase, and the last one, meet. Easy, right? Now move on. Number 2. Read the text in your student book. Put the sentences in the correct order. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So you read and write down number 1 to number 12. Number 1, an old woman makes a gingerbread man. So write down 1. And then what happens next? I give you one more example. And then the old woman wants to eat the gingerbread man. So write down 2. Okay? If you forget, you can open your student book. Now I think you have 3 minutes to do this exercise. 1, 2, 3, go! Finish yet? Okay. Number 3. Gingerbread man runs away. The old woman chases him. And then he meets a cat. The cats want to eat him, but he runs to the river, right? He wants to cross the river, but he can't swim. And then there's a fox near the river. The gingerbread man sits on the fox's head, and the fox starts to swim. The gingerbread man sits on the fox's nose, and then the fox opens his mouth and eats the gingerbread man. It's a sad story, right? Now write out the answers. 12 numbers, number 1 to number 12. Okay, so now open your workbook on page 73. Number 1, write an or are. Number 1, she doesn't like math or English. You see there is not, doesn't. So we use are. Okay. Number 2, you see place is a positive sentence. I don't. We like positive sentence, and don't. There is an are. Okay, 1 minute for you. Go. Now let's check your answers. Number 2, and. Or, you see don't, or. Like, and. like, and the last one you see don't, negative sentence, so are. Write out the answers, please. Now move on my writing. Number 2, write. Check the rules that are the same in your school. Teacher, food, MP3 player, quiet, and homework. Okay, I think you have 3 minutes to do this exercise. 1, 2, 3, go. Okay, so now let's see number 2. Food. Mustn't eat food in the classroom. So it's the same in Nguyễn Văn Trỗi school, right? The same in your school. You mustn't eat food in your classroom, and in Nguyễn Văn Trỗi school, put a tick. And number 1, you listen to the teacher. Yes. Do your homework. Yes. Listen to your MP3 player. Yes. And the last one, you must be quiet. The same in Nguyễn Văn Trỗi school, right? So write out the answers. And the last one, write a poster for your school rules. Use an or are. These are some school rules, and then it's Nguyễn Văn Trỗi school rules. You can make school rules on your role and use an or are. Now 3 minutes for you. Go. Here is Mr. Fox's school rules. You must be quiet and be good to your friends. You mustn't eat or drink in the classroom. You mustn't run in the classroom. You must be quiet. You must be good. You must listen to your teacher. Everything. Okay? And you write down more. That's the end of the lesson today, but don't forget to do exercise on Google Form, Unit 10, Lesson 5 and 6. Goodbye and see you in my next video.